In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about pipes for house plumbing so you can keep your water flowing smooth and avoid costly headaches. When you're dealing with plumbing pipes, the first thing to remember is choosing the right material like copper, PVC, or PEX, because each has its perks and fits different parts of your home's system. I always tell folks to check the pipe size carefully since too small or too big can mess with water pressure or cause leaks. Also, make sure to insulate your pipes if you live in a colder area to prevent freezing and bursting during winter. That's a big one. When you're installing or fixing pipes, use proper fittings and avoid forcing connections, because that's a quick way to crack or damage them. Don't forget to test your work by running water through the system before closing walls or ceilings. Catching leaks early saves tons of trouble down the road. If you're replacing old pipes, think about upgrading to more flexible materials like PEX. It's easier to work with and resists corrosion better than metal pipes. Lastly, always keep an eye on your water pressure and know where your main shutoff valve is located so you can act fast if something goes wrong. One of the biggest slip-ups I see with house plumbing pipes is ignoring signs of corrosion or slow leaks, which can lead to big water damage if left alone. Another common mistake is not using the right pipe type for hot and cold water lines. Mixing these up can cause quick wear or bursts. And then there's the issue of poor pipe support. If pipes aren't secured properly, they vibrate or sag, eventually causing joints to fail. To fix these, just keep an eye out for rusty spots or damp walls. Swap out plastic for metal where heat is involved, and make sure every pipe is clipped firmly to studs or joists. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to connect with reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff about plumbing and other home fixes. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new gigs from folks nearby looking for pros they can trust without all the hassle.